Greetings, everyone. A client had a question for me. She had asked me, why isn't the information I'm inputting into Act Premium Cloud showing up on the contact? So after a little investigation and understanding the question she was asking, what I realized is the following. I'm right now on the My Record, or the contact in Act for this database, the owner of this database, and I want to draw your attention over here to where it says call reach, and you'll notice the date says 4/29/23. So let me create a scenario. Let's say you pick up the phone and you call this person and you want to record that you called this person. Well, the way you do that is you go up and click on History, and you'll notice when this box pops up, it says call is the type, and on the right hand side it says call completed. Now, if you don't see call completed and you want that to be the default, you can change that in preferences, and I do recommend that. So what will happen is this. When I click on save, it's going to update this call reach field with today's date. So let me show you that right now. I'm going to click on save, and wait a minute, it didn't change the date. Why didn't it work? What is wrong with Act? Why isn't that showing? Well, in Act Premium Cloud and the Act Desktop, when you make changes like this, Act sort of has to update itself or refresh itself to see that change. So the change happened behind the scenes. And I'm going to draw your attention down here to the History tab. And when I click on that, you'll see right here it says 6/20/23, the call was completed. But this date did not update. So what do we have to do to see that? Well, it's really very simple. You just have to refresh the data. In an Act Premium Cloud, you can go up and go to the top and click on the little circle that's called refresh. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+R, but I'm going to click on refresh, and that will update the data or sort of pull it in again. So now the call reach is updated with today's date. So that's how you refresh the data in Act Premium Cloud. Another way this would have worked is if I had navigated away from this contact and come back, that would have automatically refreshed the data. The same thing occurs in Act Desktop software as well. So here we are in the Act Desktop software, Act Premium, and you'll notice this contact, if I go up and click on History to record that I just called this person, I'm going to click on OK just to start this process, and you'll notice when I do this, it put the date right in. Okay, so there's some subtle differences. Sometimes if it doesn't put it in, you just simply can do refresh, and the way you do refresh is go up to View. You can go down to where it says Refresh, or press the F5 key. So again, there might be some data that updates automatically, some that doesn't, depending on the version of Act, Cloud versus Desktop, and you'll find some slight variations on that, but that's how you do it here as well. Thank you so very much for being here. I appreciate your time. Have a great day. Bye now.